So dash cams can be a vital piece of equipment in your vehicle. Whether you're commuting from point A to point B and want to capture unexpected events, or maybe you drive for a living and you want to capture video inside and outside for assurance, a dash cam is a great place to start. Today, we're taking a look at the LINGDU LD02 4K 3-camera dash cam kit. You get a sharp 4K camera for your front main camera, a 1080p camera for the cabin camera, and a third 1080p camera to record rear video. You get other features such as voice control and app support to view recorded videos on your phone from the dash cam or download them so you can store or share. In the box, you'll get your LD02 dash cam that acts as the main hub for your other cameras. On the side, you have your menu, select, and action buttons on your camera to navigate the menus, which you'll see later on. A 64 gigabit card to record your 4K video on a continuous loop. Keep in mind, because it's a recording loop, when the card approaches its full capacity, it will start recording over the older videos and so on. And of course, you get a nice big screen on the back to view and preview your live and recorded footage. Now, you get a lot of accessories, so pay attention. You have your window mount for your camera, your installation tools, which is a pry tool and wire clips, one card charger that will provide power, your rear camera with a generous cord that will reach from the hub all the way to the back of your car, your cabin camera, your USB cord to power your cameras, a link and power cable for your cabin camera. Now, I know this looks like a lot of accessories, but don't worry, it's super easy to set up. You also get electrostatic films. Now, this is important. Do not ignore these like I did. The sticky part of the camera is very sticky, and you may not want to stick this camera directly to your windshield like I did. Use these to place on your windshield first, then put your cameras on this. All right, you're welcome. And last, well, you have your user manual. Okay, let's get straight to the installation. Remember to use your electrostatic films first. Then place your camera in your desired spot. Best recommended behind and below the rearview mirror. Next, place your cabin camera. Use a link cable to connect your cabin camera and dash cam together. Now connect your USB power to your link cable. Use the cable clips to run and guide the cables. Then use the cable pry to manage the power cable. And then run it all the way to your power source. Plug the USB cable into the car adapter, then plug the car adapter in your car. For the rear camera, plug it into the dash cam. Use the cable clips to run the wires, then run the wires to the back of your car and place it on the rear windshield. Depending on your vehicle, you might want to run the wires on the bottom or on the top. Now, once it's installed, turn on your car and your dash cam will immediately turn on and begin recording. If you have all three cameras connected, you'll see a preview of them on the dash cam, as well as recording audio in the cabin. When pressing the up button on the left-hand side, you can cycle through the different views between a split screen view or a whole view. The bottom button turns the mic on and off. The menu button in the middle lets you cycle through the menu. You can change things like resolution, record time, and other options. You can also activate voice commands and see a list of voice commands it recognizes. Press the OK button on the side to see that. Show front camera.
Front camera displayed.
Show rear camera.
Rear camera displayed.
Take a picture. If you press the menu button on the right side, you can view the playback of the different cameras. You can also lock a current file, as well as turn the display off. Keep in mind that the camera keeps on recording even though you can't see the display screen. Now, as far as app support, download the app. Once connected, you can view the different cameras on your phone, and you also have some basic access to other options as well. And you can view all the recorded videos on the camera directly on your phone, or if you choose, you can download them as well. As you can see, the LINGDU LD02 dash cam is an impressive, fully featured 4K dash cam. The 4K is sharp for a dash cam. The colors look nice, and the wide lens gives me a huge viewing angle. Setup was pretty straightforward. You just have to figure out what works for you when it comes to cable management. Although I would say you might need a couple more cable clips, because I know I did. The cabin cam and rear cam were much welcomed, and I like how I can preview it all on the main dash cam. Voice control is pretty cool, so you're not having to touch the camera while driving, and app support makes it convenient just in case you want to share your footage instantly. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.